if we are asked to round off the number to the nearest tens place or just simply nearest tens, that means we have to find out the place. Here I have some numbers. Suppose here we have 23, and if you are asked to round off 23 to the nearest tens, then you have to find the tens place first, ones and tens. So this is the tens place, 2 is in the tens place. We will mark tens place with a dot over here. That means it is our target place. But we will concentrate on just next right side digit. We will concentrate on the next right side digit of the target place. Now what will be the concentration? What will we think about the next place? If on the next place we have a digit that is less than 5, then the target digit will not change and this next right side digits will become 0. So ultimately we will have 2, 0, 20. So our answer is 20. After rounding off, we have 20. And this curvy sign, wavy sign, it is the estimation sign. When we round off, the answer we get, that is not exactly the same value but the closest value, nearest value. That's why we cannot put the equal sign here. We will have this kind of wavy sign. So when we have to round off, we will find the target place first and we will mark the target place, and we will concentrate on the next right side digit. If this next right side digit is less than 5, then the target digit will remain the same and next right side digit will become 0. Now again we have to round off to the nearest tens place. Here I have again 2 here in the tens place, but next right side digit, this is 7, more than 5. So when we have 5 or more than 5 on the next right side digit, our concentration here, if we have 5 or more than 5, then we have to add 1 with the target digit. That means target digit will become 3, then always right side digits will become 0. So our answer here is 30. Now we have some other numbers here, and here we have to round off to the nearest hundreds place. So let's find the hundreds place here. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is the hundreds place. So our target place is here. Next right side digit is 6. 6 is more than 5. So our target place will change. Our target place will increase by 1. So it will become 6, and this 6 will become 0. This 2 will become 0 also. That means when we round off the digits after the target place, all the digits will become 0. After the target place, how many digits we have, that's not a matter. All the digits will become 0. Our concentration will be on the right side digit, next right side digit of the target place. If next right side digit is 5 or more than 5, we will add 1 with the target place. If the next right side digit is less than 5, the target digit will remain the same. Here we have another one. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is the hundreds place here, and our concentration here is the number 1, the digit 1. So 1 is less than 5, so the target digit will not change. 7 will remain 7 and other digits on the right side will become 0. Next, here ones, tens, hundreds, target digit is 5 and our concentration is on this digit. It is 4. 4 is less than 5, so it will not change. And before the target digit we have 9, we have to write 9 as it is. Then 5 will remain same because our concentration here, that is 4, and next digits will become 0. Here ones, tens, hundreds, this is 9 and our concentration is on 8. 8 is more than 5. Now it's little bit tricky. We have to add 1 with 9, but if we add 1 with 9 it will become 10. 0 here, 1 in hand, and this 4 will become 5, and next digits will become 0. Now let's have some of the decimal numbers. Here we have to round up to the nearest tenths place. Tenths place is the first place after decimal point. This place is our target place here, and our concentration is on this 7. 7 is more than 5. 2 will become 3. Next is 0. Because 7 is more than 5, 2 will become 3. Next, 6 is our target place, and this is our concentration. As it is 5, we will add 1 here. So 0.70. Then here tens place. This is the tens place, target place. Next is here. No matter how many digits are here after that, but our concentration will be just next right side digit of our target place. So we will write 3 point. Now 8 is more than 5, so with 0 we will add 1. This will become 1 ultimately, and next 2 digits will become 0. Hundreds place is the second place after decimal point. We count the places just starting from the decimal point, tens and hundreds. This is the hundreds place, and we will look at the next right side digit. It is less than 5, so it will not change. So we will write just 26.250. Then tenths, hundreds, this is the place, next right side digit. As it is more than 5, we will write 0.790, because here we have more than 5, we will add 1 here. Next one, tenths, hundreds, and next right side digit is 5, that will bring us here. We will add 1, so 5.0200. Next, tenths, hundreds, we have 1, so no need to add anything here. So we have 0.3 5, 0 and 0.